daw.
Go.
Napay katulo.
Ada. Dapat dira magipaaya single daw. Warhan niya sa isa.
Maybe contest. So ako na yan pagkadua nga mo atagukan natin about the traffic laws. So first is the RA 4136 or Land Transportation and Traffic Code. So in 1964, so the main law governing traffic rules in the Philippines and Land Transportation and Traffic Code is vehicle registration. So mandates that all motor vehicles must be registered annually with the Transportation Office. Ito na yung vehicle na nag-vehicle. Wala. So next is driver license or driver's license, and it regulates the issuance of driver's license to qualified individuals. So if every person na ay motor or motor vehicle, so mag-hindi siya of driver's license, so hindi mo gagawa of driver's license o minor age ka. So, next is traffic violations and penalties. So naalala niya itong mga penalties if ever maka-violate ka ng or drive ka motor vehicle na walay lisensya or other. So next, RA is So the next RA is the 10931-I13. So the Anti-Distracted Driving Act of 2016. So ban use of mobile phones and gadgets while driving. So ginadali ka kapag use of cellphone or gadgets while driving vehicle or a motor vehicle. So next is it applies to private and public vehicles. So dili ka magawas if ever nga sa public or private vehicles, bawal mo siyang gamit o gadgets. So the next is the penalties. Fine and categorize the location of offense. If ever nga maka-violate ka o maka-violate ka niyo or maka-commit ka niya is nakin mga penalties like first offense or atong primero pa is 10,000 and next is second offense is 10,000 fine, the third is open, third offense is 50,000 fine and 3 months driver suspension. And next is fourth offense is 20,000 fine and driver